Enjoy hot out of the oven sweet buttery cornbread with this easy small batch recipe. Hi, I'm Joni from OneDishKitchen.com, your #1 source for single serving recipes. Let me show you how to make it. Heat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to use a 6.5-inch cast iron skillet for cornbread. If you don't have a cast iron skillet, you can use a 5-inch square or a 4x6-inch rectangular baking dish, or even a 6-inch round baking pan. If you're using a cast iron skillet, put the skillet in the oven while it preheats to 400 degrees. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together 2.5 tablespoons of melted, salted butter, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 large egg until well blended. In a separate bowl, mix together the 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of cornmeal, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Add the cornmeal mixture to the milk mixture and stir just until the flour is moistened. When the oven reaches 400 degrees, take the cast iron skillet out of the oven with oven mitts, put 1/2 tablespoon of butter in the skillet to melt, and gently swirl the pan to spread the butter over the bottom and sides of the pan. Pour the batter into the greased skillet or pan and spread evenly. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown and a knife inserted in the center comes out clean. Enjoy warm. Be sure to check out these great videos and click below to like and subscribe. And please visit OneDishKitchen.com, where we have hundreds of single serving recipes. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.